Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Ayushi Verma from Investolearn Academy, and today I'm here to discuss on the technical analysis outlook for the two major cryptocurrencies, which are Bitcoin and Ethereum. So I'll be looking at the daily chart. We'll be talking about the daily trend, the levels for these two cryptocurrencies. So let's quickly get started with the Bitcoin first. So this is the daily chart of Bitcoin, and we can see, or we have discussed this thing in the many of the videos recently, that price is basically just hovering around at this level, which is at 20,000 level. So this 20,000 level becomes a very important level, because there is no price momentum, there is completely price action which is missing currently, and that's the reason the price is just hovering around at this level. So what we can see, this level 20,000 as the support and 22,600 as the resistance. Now till the time we will not get any good momentum towards the upside or downside, we will not be very sure what can happen, because this is a situation where the price is just looking very dull and it's not moving at all. So once we need to just look at that there should be some momentum in the price, and then it will be clear, or it will be more we'll get more clarity that where the price is going. So for the Bitcoin, we can just look at this level, 20,000 support and 22,600 as the resistance. Now if you look at the Ethereum, so Ethereum is showing you some momentum. Why? Because if you have seen our previous videos, the recent previous videos, so yes, now look at here. So look at this momentum, whole momentum, right? So one, the price was taking the support of 1510. This was still this is still we can take it as a support area. And the second important part is this 100 EMA. So you can see this blue colored line, this is the 100 EMA, and the price was actually taking a support of this level, and that's the reason now the price from today and yesterday the price is going upside, right? So today it is like, I think it's up by 3%. Yesterday it was up by 2%, more than 2% in fact. So what we can expect, the price will reach towards this 1725. This is acting as a resistance level, and then we will see, looking at the price action, then we will see what can happen, whether the price will give a breakout or again it will come back. So this is something which looks little more interesting if you compare it with the Bitcoin. So just because the price is taking a support, and it's basically taking a support of this 100 EMA, you will see that the price is going towards upside. And also if you look at here, the volumes are good, it's looking good if you compare it with the Bitcoin volume. So here we can see a little bit more momentum as if you compare it with the Bitcoin. So I think you can take up these levels, and we'll meet you tomorrow. This is all from my side today. Thank you so much for watching us. Please subscribe to the channel, like this video, and also hit the notification bell icon so that you don't miss out such levels, such useful information in future. So thank you so much for watching us.